The Verizon Lean Six Sigma is a game changer. Its methodology has literally transformed the business, from pricing, policy, and distribution to subsidy and customer care.
A simple 5-step process that enables us to take on complex problems and work towards real solutions. Solutions that generate efficiencies, reduce costs, and create superior customer experiences.
We currently have over 160 ongoing VLSS initiatives,
each dedicated to improving our processes, satisfying our customers, and ultimately reducing costs.
Each project is led by a black belt steeped in the principles of VLSS. A great example of the proven power of VLSS is a new contract management system.
Right now, it takes nearly 3 months for a non-standard business contract to move from initial offer entry in our contract management system to the point where the customer can actually complete the purchase.
In the world of business to business, time is money. The long lead time put a lot of pressure on our sales reps. They lost momentum with the customer, and that meant that the competition had an advantage.
Financial projections put the cost and lost revenue at $12.3 million. So we made it a VLSS project and got to work.
VLSS teaches us to always see the problem from the customer's perspective.
By walking through each step of the existing contract process and seeing how long it took, we began to get a very clear idea of where the roadblocks were.
We realized that there were 10 separate functional groups who touched a contract as it moved through the process. The breakthrough was our decision to map the entire process into something we call a current state value stream map. This allowed us to show all the key stakeholders the entire process and their part in it from 10,000 feet. From here, the streamlining and realignment process began.
The team used a lean tool to look for the root cause of the long lead times, pinpointed non-value process steps, and eliminated duplication of effort while maintaining quality and reducing costs. And then we set about brainstorming solutions as a team.
One of our solutions was the adoption of an electronic signature to speed the approval process.
The result was a new future state value stream map that cut the contract lead time in half.
The changes that we've made through the Verizon Lean Six Sigma process are going to really improve our long-term ability to be competitive, because Verizon Lean Six Sigma looks at the total process, end to end. It makes sure that we have permanent solutions to problems that are really hampering our business today.
Let me give you another example of the real and measurable difference that VLSS is making at every level of our operations. Every month, we hand out roughly 400,000 devices to customers in exchange for defective devices under warranty. While these devices are given away to the customer at no charge, they actually do cost the company $50 per device. That adds up to about $5 million of lost profit every month, or $60 million every year. So what we did was we assigned a VLSS team, and they started to take a closer look at what was really going on.
Every VLSS solution starts with the customer experience, and from their perspective, our customers were simply returning defective devices. But what we found when we started defining the problem was 20% of these devices weren't defective at all. It was at that point that the VLSS No Trouble Found project team was born. The key for us was to determine why our customers believed their devices to be defective.
As we worked through the data mining, we drew up a fishbone diagram to drill into the issue and determine the root causes. That's when we hit on a key insight centered around customer expectations.
Modern smartphones can do so much more than basic devices. They've got more applications, greater capabilities, and they can be up to 10 times faster. All this smart technology puts far greater demands on their batteries, and they needed to be charged on a more regular basis. The problem was the customer's expectation was still to charge their phone every 3 to 4 days instead of every day. They equated a shorter battery life with a defective device. That was the breakthrough moment.
We started to instigate a simple in-store battery check to verify whether the perceived problem was low battery power. Simply explaining the implications of the new technology to our customers and allowing them to reset their expectations. Another reason for returns was that the customer was using the wrong charger. Again, a simple check in-store solved this problem.
These insights have helped us deliver a superior customer experience, and we're able to provide additional accessories for them that will help keep their phone charged during the day, which also enhances their experience.
Checking batteries, verifying charges, and educating customers, these simple methods are already having a positive impact on customer experience. Their expectations are different, they're more knowledgeable, they're better equipped, and above all, they're happy. With a huge reduction in costs, guess what? We're happy too.
These and many other VLSS projects are powering our operations forward by creating superior customer experiences, greater efficiencies, and increased profits.
Right now, we have 8 Master Black Belts, 68 Black Belts, and 30 Green Belts leading more than 160 separate VLSS initiatives.
Initiatives that touch all aspects of our company.
From pricing, policy, and distribution to subsidy and customer care.
The impact of these initiatives cannot be overstated. To date, VLSS programs have resulted in 1.3 million reduced calls,
190,000 fewer upgrades, and 26,000 fewer returns.
This is the VLSS method at work.
I urge you to visit the VLSS Wireless Resource Center to find out more.
Take the training.
Get excited.
Get involved.
Lean Six Sigma is a vehicle for driving change.
And you
You can be a part of it.